In Buddhism, we have heard about Vinaya Pitaka, Sutra Pitaka, Abhidharma Pitaka, and many more. According to Buddhism, what is the basic teaching that we should follow?
There's a stanza given by the Buddha. Tummehi kiccang atappo akkataro tathagato. The Buddha explained himself. Who is the Buddha? Then we can understand the basic teachings of the Buddha. Understanding who is the Buddha, we can understand, we can recognize, we can realize what are the basic teachings of the Buddha. The Buddha said for his disciples, I'm just a teacher. As a teacher, what I'm doing, I'm just providing information for you to practice yourself. Practicing yourself, gaining your experience and wisdom, you can see things as they are. You can realize the truth. So, the Buddha came to this world to show the path, not for your liberation. The Buddha is not here for your liberation. The Buddha is not here to take you for your liberation. The Buddha is here to show the path. So then you have responsibility. You have responsibility to apply the method and to see the results yourself. So now you can see that Buddha's meaning, why Buddha is here in this world. Buddha is here to show the path. So then teachings of the Buddha basically based on guidance and advices, explanations. For what? To practice, to develop our enlightenment or to develop our wisdom for the enlightenment. That is the meaning of teachings of the Buddha, the basic teachings of the Buddha. So, the Buddha mainly helping us to understand very important thing. What is that? That is wholesome and unwholesomeness. So, why we want to know wholesomeness and unwholesomeness? To liberate from defilements, unhappy status. Without liberating unhappy status, there is no way to gain peace, inner happiness. So, we need inner happiness. We need peaceful mind. For what? To develop mindfulness, to develop concentration. So, the teachings of the Buddha basically focus to gain inner peace, happiness. Inner peace and happiness helping us to develop mindfulness. It is the path to gain our concentration. It is the path to gain wisdom. So, there is a particular sutta, Lokadhammata Sutta, the Buddha said, whether Tathagata appears in this world or not, the truth is here. The established law is here. So, the Buddha did not declare his teaching as his own teachings. That is the nature, that is the uniqueness of the teachings of the Buddha. The Buddha just explained, I'm just found something regarding the truth, regarding the nature, the reality of the world. So then finding something regarding the world, I apply several methods to realize that nature, to see things as they are. So the teachings of the Buddha basically focus to gain that qualities ourselves as a practitioner to see things as they are, to see things as they are. Now, for example, just think about ourselves. Do we can see things as they are, even though we have clear, healthy eyes? No, because the pictures are not that you can see through your eyes. Eyes just supporting us to see things. So the pictures are where? Where the pictures are? Pictures are there in your mind. So all the pictures are there in your mind. All the sounds are there in your mind. All the tastes are there in your mind. All the feelings are there in your mind. So then all these main basis we use to gain our aims, and particularly all these informations. Through the eye, through the ears, nose, tongue, we can gain information. Just information. So the picture, sound, taste, feeling, sensation, all these things are there in your mind. So then, to see things as they are means you have to have purified mind. Without purifying your mind, you can see things as they are. You can see the reality. You can hear the real sounds, what is happening there. You can get any of these things if your mind is not clear. So then, the teachings of the Buddha we apply to clean our mind from defilements. There are 3 roots, which we call Lobha, Dvesa, Moha. Lobha means desire, or Dvesa means hatred, Moha means ignorance. So, when you are living with these defilements, roots of defilements, your mind always full of cloud. Your mind all full of unwholesome thoughts. Your mind always connecting with blind faith and blindness. So then, you can see things as they are, because you have so many unwholesome thoughts which is covered the reality, the truth. So we practice the teachings of the Buddha to purify our mind. So that is why the Buddha said, Sachitta Pariyodapanam, control your mind, control your senses. Why? You want to purify your mind. Purifying your mind, see things as they are, you can liberate from this suffering. How you can liberate from the suffering? Because of our ignorance, we develop our desire. Developing our desire, ignorance is there because of these two things. Anger is there to arise. Why? These 2 natures are very important to gain anger. What are the natures? That we call ignorance and desire. Whenever you have ignorance and desire, hatred would be there. It is the nature. So therefore, we practice the teachings of the Buddha to purify our mind, to reduce our defilements, which we call desire, ignorance, and hatred. So then, having and maintaining that peaceful mind, inner peace, we can see things as they are with the help of our mind. So, teachings of the Buddha basically focus on to purify your mind, to gain mindfulness, concentration, and wisdom.